Hi, after fixing dozens of syscalls, I'm finally back to record this for the YouTube. I'll be showing you how to print a simple hello world message in Rust the hard way. For this kind of content, I have a very special directory. Let's make a directory, call it hello world, and cd in it, okay? Alright, so we won't be using the standard library for this program, so no std, also no main, so the compiler won't generate a normal main function for us, and also no mango, so our little externcy won't be mangled by Rust. And we'll be doing rabbit manipulation here in 2 chunks. Well, let's return it never, okay? Never. And let our chunk 1 be U64 and the byte literal 64, okay? And the next character, okay, shift by 8. Okay. L 16 yank it. Okay. So our each B character is a byte literal. We're basically casting it to U64 and then we're shifting it to move it to the right byte position. And the space 40, okay. And now we will have our W all the chunk 1 and finish the first chunk. Okay? Alright. $56, done. Now let's go for the RLD. Let chunk 2 be U64. Okay. A byte literal of R as U64. And now, again, we're repeating the same thing we had in the first chunk. 8, 7, 8, and the D, and 16, and lastly, we're adding a new line as well. Okay. Okay, oh, good. Now, we will be making a 60 byte buffer. Well, technically we need 12 bytes, but 16 gives nice alignments and 64 architectures. Okay. And now, another tedious part is to unpack each byte from chunk 1 back to the buffer and also chunk 2 back to the buffer. Okay. Our hex is basically 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Also 1. And binary. So, you're masking everything except the lowest 8 bits. One, and let's go for unpacking the chunk 2. Buffer 8, chunk 2, hex as U8, and we're basically repeating what we had in chunk 1 for the chunk 2. 2. Wow, is that painful? Yes. Do I hate it? Absolutely not. So let's speed up. And a new line is done. Okay. Now, let's head to the syscall setup. We need to grab a raw pointer to our buffer, and we got to set the length to 12, since hello world plus new line has 12 characters. Okay, now we go to DSM and set the syscall. Okay, let's have our regs for syswrite to 1. We have our end RDI to 1 for the steady out, and our RSI to our pointer. So we have our pointer, buffer pointer, and the RDX for the length. Options, no stack. Okay. All right. So now let's shift this. Okay. Now let's go for the exit part, and now we got to have our sysexit to 16. Okay. So in RX to 16, and for the sysexit, and our RDI to 0, and our options, okay, no return. So once we print it, we need to exit clearly. So this does the job, and shifting, okay, correct. We passed the exit code correctly. And now we got to provide the panic handler. So let's see, we're good. Yeah, okay. So let's import the panic handler, and no STD mode Rust requires this, otherwise it won't compile. So we're gonna just loops forever. That's it. Okay. So no option. Okay. Okay. So let's have a panic handler, and handler. Sorry. Okay. So if we ever panic, program hangs, because at this level you don't get exceptions, you don't get stack traces, you just spin. Okay, very nice. Good. Yeah, we're good. Let's quit. Okay. Oh, good. To compile our source file, let's use -c and -o for optimization with the opt level of 3, yeah, and let's have our panic to abort. So no cleanups, my binary, and the link time optimization, and let's set the target feature plus CRT static, no dependencies, and also the links arguments. Let's have no start files. So once you use standard setup static, and we also gonna strips of symbols information. All directs. What? Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, let's do this again. Let's go to trash. Okay, trash. Now, let's try again. Okay, 54. Yeah, we have to use racks. Okay, anyway, let's run this. And since I'm a freak, I gotta use strip main again. Very nice. I hope you enjoy this. This is so much fun. Of course, we have the team actor, like crazy, not working. Anyway, thanks for watching.